So now we're going to look at example number 6. We have zinc sulfide and oxygen becoming zinc oxide and sulfur. So if we look at zinc sulfide, we know that zinc has a +2 charge. We know that sulfide has a -2 charge. So when we put those two together, we get ZnS. And it's reacting with oxygen, which is O2. Remember, oxygen is your diatomic molecule, so it has to have a buddy. And that's going to make zinc oxide. We know that zinc, again, has a +2 charge. And we know oxide has a -2 charge. So when we put those two together, we're going to get Zn. And we're going to add sulfur. And sulfur in this case is all by itself. So now we need to look at our reactants and products and see if we have a balanced chemical equation. First we're going to start out with zinc, then sulfur, then oxygen. If I look at zinc, I have 1 on each side. If I look at sulfur, I have 1 on each side. If I look at oxygen, well, on this side I have 2 oxygen, but on this side I only have 1 oxygen. So what I need to do is change the coefficient in front of zinc oxide to 2. So that changes that to a 2, but it also changes our zinc to a 2. So that means we need to go back to this side and put a 2 in front of that. So now our zincs are balanced, but now the sulfur becomes unbalanced, and we have 2 here. So that means we need to put a 2 in front of the sulfur. So now we have 2 zinc sulfide plus oxygen makes 2 zinc oxide and 2 sulfur. And that equation is now balanced.